Hi guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. Today I'm going to talk about one product which is solution for many of you out there. I have seen many people, they are just frustrated with a pores issue, clogs of pores or pores got open, something like that issues, including me. Even I have tough times when, I have open pores out there and I just feel like what to be done, what to do. Sometimes home remedies are also not that effective. It is effective but maybe not for the longer time, and maybe even you don't have time. In that situation, I have discovered one product which is solution for you, and it is really gonna help you when you wanted to unclog your pores. And I am talking about the product is from the Body Shop. So this is the product which is called as Himalayan charcoal from the Body Shop, and it is also meant to be unclog pores. It says that purifying clay wash. So this is basically a face wash which you can use, and it is also got Himalayan water and charcoal, and which smoothens your face and removes all the dirt from the face. You would have noticed when you have clog pores when you have impurities in your face sets in, you feel like, or when you go out somewhere and come back, you wanted to just get rid of all the impurities. Surely you choose for charcoal. Reason why they have used Himalayan water and charcoal, so that it works well on pores. They claim that it is got bamboo charcoal from the Himalayan foothills and tea tree oil from Kenya. So basically, if you would have noticed my previous videos or Instagram reels, many of the products I use from Body Shop, and it's like 4 to 5 years I have been using those products, and it actually works well because these products are quite natural and cruelty free. So you won't be having any issues on your skin if you use that, like skin getting dry or oily or something like this. Whatever it claims, it does the work really. And this is the reason why I came up again with something which can help you guys too, how it helped me. So I have been using this face wash. It's been 4 weeks, and within 2 weeks I have noticed that my pores, whatever I had here, it was getting smaller. The impurities what I had using this, it's like it's gone. They say that it is got aqua water, glycerine, glucoside, which is really good for sensitive skin. And since they have used these kind of ingredients, so reason why even the sensitive skin people can use, normal to dry can also use this. Body Shop claims that the product is 100% vegan and it is against animal testing. So without further ado, I just wanted to show you how the texture is, and I also wanted to show you on my face how do I use it and how is the after effect. So when I open this is how it is. When I open this, the product comes like this. So if you see, it is somewhat gray black in color since it is got charcoal. So it looks like this. And when I talk about the smell, the fragrance is actually very light and floral kind of fragrance, and they have also used some Himalayan aqua water. Gives you the fresh feeling, and you won't feel like it is having charcoal, though the color looks like that, but the fragrance is very mild and decent. You'll have to do, just take out the product. So just wet your palm and try to use. Also, you don't have to use so much of product, so it is not giving that intense foam. If you see, it will just give you this white finish for 2 minutes or so. And once you feel it's all done, you can wash your face. So I just washed my face off, and you can see how clear it looks. I also had little makeup when I started this video, and it just cleared everything out. It smoothens my face. Yeah, you can see all the makeup is gone, all the impurities are gone. And also the good part is that all the body products, not only this, if you in rush and you don't have time to use moisturizer on any cream, and if at all you would have used their any face scrub or their face washes for that matter, it smoothens your face, so you don't, sometimes you don't feel like using even moisturizer, so it moisturizes skin. Same for this product as well, it moisturizes your skin as well. If at all I feel my skin, it is very hydrating, moisturous, and though it is having charcoal, it has not removed the hydration from my face, which I had noticed in few other brand products, which with that does. So this product has not taken any hydration in, rather it has given moisturization to my face, and now I'm just feeling good about my skin. And after washing that off, I feel that my face is feeling so light. Now when I talk about the product quantity, it is of 125 ml. When I talk about the price, it is written out here, it is 1195 rupees for 125 ml. But I did not pay so much for this product, because I have told you in my other videos also, Body Shop runs good discounts many a time, like so I bought this like 2 months before, and it was this product 125 ml, I've paid 500 rupees and got this product because it was under sale and it was running a discount 50% off. So that's the reason I just chose this product, and I felt like this would be suiting my skin. And the reason why I chose this for the pores, unclogs of pores, it suits me and it did the work. I mentioned before, 2 weeks it took to show the best result, and I would also highly recommend you this product from the Body Shop, the charcoal face wash. If you have any problems what I discussed in the video, you can surely choose for this. I would be attaching, see, I did not buy online, you may get this product online also on some of the websites like Amazon or maybe Myntra or Nykaa. However, I always buy the Body Shop product from the store, and I would be giving the information about the store from where I bought this, and maybe if I have the contact, then I would be attaching that too. So if at all you wanted to give a shot, then please do not hesitate. Here we came at the end of the video, guys. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope my review was helpful to you somewhere. If at all you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and for more such videos, please also hit the notification button so that you can see my coming videos. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and watching this video. Till then, please take care. Bye bye.